welcome. It's a great day to be grateful. So let's move our bodies with this incredible sense of gratitude for what we can do. We'll be curious about what we can't, but we're just gonna move dynamically for the next 10 minutes or so to really boost our mood and elevate our energy. Tap your toe, reach to the side. When you're feeling warm and ready, tap your toe a little further, reach out and twist a little bit more. Our American brothers and sisters are celebrating Thanksgiving today. A beautiful tradition, families and friends coming together to be grateful. I invite you to be grateful for the challenges, to raise the bar. Be grateful for the difficult family member, the person you don't agree with. Be grateful for the cruddy weather if you're having it. I clearly am not. A spectacular day in the woods. Just next level, we can really be grateful when we're in the challenge, when we're in the struggle. Okay, one more each side. Brilliant. Let's just see if we can't tap our toe. Bring that leg up, see if you can't. Oh, can you get there? Do your best. Move around your space. I know on holidays, often we skip movement sessions because we feel like we're too busy. I think it's much more important on those days to show up, to give the energy, to give you the patience that you might need today. But you're gonna smile through all of it. You're gonna be grateful. Oh yes. The challenge is to find those moments where we're really being pushed, being that best version of ourselves. Oh yeah, this is the good stuff. This is where I really learn and grow. Let's go. Let's pick up the pace. Let's get that heart rate up. Yeah. Notice your breath. Yeah. You got it. Well done. Well done. Well done. Okay. I want to get real bendy here. Just very simple functional fitness movements. Tap it out, but really bend down as much as you possibly can. Feel it in the side body. I have a line that I'm going to quote that I'm going to share with you at the end that I think might be very useful today when you are dealing with challenging or difficult people. Something I found to be very profound that just came across in my teachings. Seems perfect for holidays. Ooh. Get big with your arms. Really reach up and down. Tap that foot a little further. Building great mobility, strength here. Ooh, lovely, lovely. Okay, now let's slow it down just a bit to start. Sumo squat and some sun. Sumo sun. I have sun again today. It's amazing. Oh, hallelujah. It's easy to be grateful for the sunny days, right? It's the gray days. Being grateful for those. Oh, yes. I like the idea. Life's not happening to you. It's happening for you. Everything is an opportunity. Every squat, yeah, that's for me. Oh, yeah. Connect to your breath. Now let's go with just a bit of pace. Let's really get that energy boosted. Get those feel-good hormones flowing through our bodies. Excellent. One more. Lovely. Now, give your backside a kick. And push out. Connect to your breath. Beautiful strength building exercise. Tap in to that positive mindset. That youthful energy that you're going to carry with you well into old age. grateful for the age that we are, even though we think we're 10, 20 years younger than we are. Yeah. Little bit of pace now. Come on. We got it. Ooh. Yes. Yes. I'm grateful to you for showing up every day. It truly does matter. And you bring something incredible to this community just by being you. That's my modification of Mr. Rogers, how he would end his episodes. We should tell each other that more often, just how special each one of us is, just for being us. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Let's have a little bit of fun here. Many of us seem to like the elephant. Between your legs, reach and come on up. Reach down, pull, and come on up. You can also come up onto the balls of your feet here. Real great for balance, core stability. But you can feel all this amazing mobility that we're creating in the shoulder, upper back, and our lower back. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. One more on this side. Oh, so good. Other arm, reach as far as you can. Come on up. Oh, if you want to make some elephant sounds, you're very welcome to. I can't think what an elephant. That's all right. I'm not going to do that right. I can't think what an elephant sound is. Oh. Ah. One more here. Yes. Okay. Let's just shift our body weight from side to side. Think of the body weight shift when you're brewing your tea or coffee in the morning, or just doing the littlest of things. Any type of movement to add on. Again, just this simple movement. Core stability, balance, strength. There is so much going on here. But I'd also like you to just squat down a little bit when we come to the side. And get a little playful in the movement. Just feel that youthfulness flowing through you. Yes. Oh, you should be grateful to be a young person, because you are here and everywhere. Okay. Oh, you can feel that. Yes. Oh, let's just shake it out for a moment. Join me for a little bit of a walk. Come up onto the balls of your feet. Just this simple movement also, anytime, any place. You're gonna feel that, engage your core. We want that good core stability. It's gonna help keep our back healthy and safe. Everything comes from our core, so we can bend easily. Swing your arms. Oh, just a bit of pace to finish off this session. I think I can. Maybe when you need to be kind. That's another one. You physical endeavors, I think I can, but sometimes the emotional and spiritual, I think I can, is useful also. Okay. So nice. I'm definitely feeling a little bamboo in the wind. Let's just be for a moment. Close your eyes for this one. Just feel everything flowing through your body. I really invite you to connect to your breath. Use your breath as you go through your day also. One breath can make all the difference. It can help us to respond rather than react. So let's just be here together. Just notice your breath. Notice yourself just flowing in the wind. Let's just be. Something about that just cracks me up. I don't know what. The line that I think can be useful for today. One of the greatest sources of human misery is the quiet expectation that others should know better. I think that applies to all of us. If we knew better, we would do better. If you're dealing with family or friends today, it's just like, why don't they know better? Well, they just don't. We can't expect them to. Try to be grateful for everything you experienced today. I think that might be one of the keys to happiness. I'm so grateful to you. Thank you so much for being here. You truly do matter. Just the way you are is perfect. I will see you tomorrow. Have a great holiday. Goodbye.